Hey everybody, welcome back to Joanne's Math Channel. And hey, subscribe. It'll be fun. And it makes me laugh. U 4.24 sine and cosine laws. So there's some questions out there where you can do it either way, whatever seems to make you happy. So let's see which one you like. I can't remember his name. Might have been Charles a number of years ago. He was a fan of the cosine law. He hated sine law. I don't know why, because I personally prefer sine law. Anyway, he would do every single question with the cosine law if he could. It was so much more work, but it made him happy. And I'm like, you got it right. So let's just see what happens. All right, we're supposed to find side L. There's L, there's M, and there's N. So to find L, we need, oh, so L squared is equal to, and I know it's going to be cos L down here. Now my brain just said, hold it. We don't have angle L. But you know what? That's a 2 minute, it's a 30-second fix. There's 180 degrees in a triangle. I've used up 48 and I've used up 72. So my two base angles. So just do some subtracting. 180 minus 47 minus 72, which leaves us with 61 degrees. There we go. Now we're good. M squared plus N squared minus 2mn cos L. M is 8.6. Move that up a little bit for us. Plus N is 11 minus 2 times M is 8.6 times N is 11 cos L is 61 degrees. L squared. All right, my calculator's been quite magical stuff lately. So I should be able to do this all at once. 8.6 plus 11 squared minus 2 times 8.6 times 11 cos 61. All right. So L squared equals 103.23 square root 10.16. So this guy's got one decimal place, so let's go 10.2. No units. Okay, no big deal. Sine law. All right, what do we got a matchy pair? Yes, yes, we do. So M over sine M is equal to little l over sine L. So M is 8.6 over sine 48 is equal to L. Hello. Oh, I don't know. Ha. Over sine 61. Cross multiply 8.6 sine 61 is equal to L sine 48 divided side by sine 48. You guys know the pattern. Sine 48 gone. L. All right. 8.6 sine 61 divided by sine 48. Hey, 10.12. Oh, look at that. A little bit of a difference in the answer. That seems weird. I didn't think there would be much. Oh, 10.1. Did I screw any of that up? I don't think so. And you certainly don't have to watch me do the video while I try and figure this out. So I will take a look at that. And if I made a mistake, I'll put some notes on it or If it's a really bad mistake, I might redo the video. All right. Sine or cosine law? Um, Pick the one. We don't have to solve or anything. So here's the scoop. I'm going to start with what I know. The one thing I know that cosine is perfect for, cosine is perfect when you have three sides, right? Like there. Okay, well, that was the only one that had three sides. Sine is great when you have matchy matchy. So there's a nice match. Sine law. I think I'm missing part of the question. There might be something. I think there's supposed to be a number here. I think you'd actually use sine and cos because you could do this because we don't have enough here, but you could find this one. It'd be sine law again. Oh, no, sine law a couple of times. I don't like that question. This one, ooh, back in the good old days, you could do SOHCAHTOA, but we know that square angle gives me 90. So if you know that is 90, then if you wanted to find the bottom, um, you'd have to go 3.9 and that one, and then you could find that angle. Wow, these are hard questions. I'm sorry. All right, this one is an angle sandwich. Side, angle, side. That's cos. Okay. This should be, that's 90. Boop. That's sine law, right? Because then you find your angle here. Now this one, you could find this one, right? So like 100, oh, wait. I want to find from B to C, so I want this. So we know that one. We don't know it's 90. Wow. I'm having one of those days. Well, what would I do? I would figure out this number first, and then I'd have a matching pair. Yep, that's what I would do. So 180 minus 39 minus, whoopsies, 51 would give me this. And then I can do my matching pair. So that would be a sine law. And let's see. This one, very good. If we know these two angles, we can subtract to get this angle here. And then we can do sine law. Okay. I've made a total mess of this question. So consult the answer key. I think that's where we need to be at today. Consult the answer key. And if I want to find the bottom here, sorry, I'm going back because it's like just having a brain fart today. I wanted to find that. Whoa, okay. So not gonna lie, I'd probably go back and use SOHCAHTOA, but that's not an option right now. So this 3.9, I could find this angle here. And then if I had this angle and this angle, I could find that one. I could use my sine law. And then I could calculate this and use sine law again. Why does my brain keep saying side angle side? I don't know. Sine law, sine law, sine law, sine law. And this one we're just going to say is messed up because we're missing, I think, a data point from there. Hey, oh, you know what? Shh, I have the answer key. I'm just curious because now it's bothering me. U24. 24. There's, look at that. There's like no answers. It's that kind of day. So if you know what? Here's the deal. Here's the deal. You watch this video. You watch this video at the very end. Send me an email and say, Joanne, in your video, you promised me 5 bonus marks, but you can't tell your friends. Don't tell your friends. I'll just be our little secret. 5 bonus marks if you get to the end of this and say you kind of just messed up on that question. All right, you have a spectacular day. Um, I think I'm done doing videos today. Math, you can do it.